Imagine running an automation playbook on hundreds of network devices, and suddenly half the tasks fail because the inventory is outdated. Wrong IPs, missing devices, decommissioned routers still inside the file. Here's the truth. Most network automation projects don't fail because of Ansible. They fail because the inventory is wrong. Hello everyone, I'm Hassan from Seminode Academy. And today we are going to talk about how dynamic inventory with Netbox can completely change the way you manage network automation. Static inventory works fine until the network starts growing. New devices get added, IPs change, old devices stay inside the inventory forever. And slowly, your automation no longer reflects the real network. This creates inventory drift, one of the biggest problems in large-scale automation environments. Managing a few devices manually is easy. Managing hundreds this way becomes a nightmare. So, what's the solution? Dynamic inventory. Instead of manually maintaining inventory files, Ansible retrieves devices data directly from Netbox through APIs. That means your inventory is always updated automatically. New device in Netbox, Ansible sees it immediately. Device removed, gone from the inventory automatically. No duplicated data, no outdated files, no manual synchronization. And that's why dynamic inventory has become essential in modern network automation.